What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's having a good day. Today I got some exciting news. I posted the car back on the channel forever ago, but finally had the time to break down, get the motor together and get it up and running. I'll post a little clip on it a few days ago just to show you that it's up and running. So now we're going to go a little bit more in depth. So guys, welcome to the channel. This is Betty White, the 2005 STI Project. The goal with this car is just to have something really just to beat on in race car style. So we're going to do it in waves. This is just pretty much basic bolt-ons with a 18G. It's got ID 1700s. It's a 2.6 stroker motor that has a Manley stroker kit in it, billet crank, Manley rods, Manley pistons, and ATI dampener. If you run a billet crank, you have to run the dampener. If you run the stock dampener, it will just beat the bearings out of it. This is the car. We finally got it together. It looks a little bit mess. We was in a hurry. A customer canceled, so I had like 2 hours to get it together. So we finally just broke down, got it together, and then I'll spend a little bit more time cleaning it up. But on the inside, we're switching out to the stock interior on the STIs are black and blue. We're switching out the interior for all black. I've even had the door panels redone. The stock interior is black and blue. If you've seen like a 05 to 07 STI, I actually have the panel on this one. But we're going to install the panels today. And like I said, I just wanted to give y'all a quick update video and actually fire up the car on a good camera besides my phone that I just posted that last video.